In this video, I will show you how to delete your WhatsApp account the right way, step by step. Many people think if you uninstall the app that your WhatsApp account is gone, and that is not true. If you only uninstall the WhatsApp app, your account still exists on the WhatsApp servers. In this video, I'm going to show you the correct method to delete your WhatsApp account completely, including your data. After this process, if you decide to come back to WhatsApp later, it will look like you're a completely new user. So now, let's dive into it. First, open your WhatsApp application. Once it opens, go to your WhatsApp settings. On most phones, you will see three dots at the top corner. Tap it, then tap Settings. Inside Settings, look for Accounts. Tap on Accounts. Now you will see different options and important settings. Just scroll down slowly until you see Delete Account. Once you see it, tap on Delete Account. Now WhatsApp will open a new screen. This page is where you will confirm the deletion of your account. Here is what you need to do. First, confirm your country code. Then, if you delete your WhatsApp account, your account will be removed from WhatsApp on all devices. Your chat history will be erased completely. You will be removed from all WhatsApp groups. Any channels you created will also be deleted. So make sure this is really what you want before you continue. Now, if you only want to take a short break from WhatsApp, you don't need to delete your account. You can simply uninstall the app from your phone. Another option is changing your WhatsApp number instead of deleting the account. If you want to learn more WhatsApp tricks, like how to read deleted messages and other useful tips, I have many tutorials on my channel. You can click the videos showing on your screen right now to watch them. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe so you don't miss my next tutorials. Thanks for watching and stay blessed.